Hello and welcome to another DJI Neo Drone video. Thank you for tuning in. Now today's video, I'm just wanted to show you some footage I took of Stockton-on-Tees High Street. Now I did a video walkthrough all about Stockton, about its history and about how it is now. If you want to see that, check it out on my channel. But while I was doing that video, I needed some drone shots. One was of a Holy Trinity Church, which you might have already seen on one of my other videos. The other was a Teesside Princess, which is a boat that goes from Stockton, Eaglescliffe to Yarm and back again. Very nice. So check that Stockton video. It mentions all about that. But the other one I wanted was some high street footage. Now there's the Shambles building, which was 1825. You've got the Market Cross monument, and you've also got the town hall as well as the high street itself. And I wanted to try and get various shots of all of those particular things. Now, when it comes to the rules and regulations of these drones, obviously you can't fly over crowded areas. So I had to go there early, and I ended up doing this shot over 2 days. Now the first day I did it, there wasn't anybody around. It was overcast, and I flew it over those buildings and showed you sort of that area. And then I ended up going back to Stockton the following day, and I thought, do you know what? I'll try it again. I'll try and just do a nice slow shot going over the Shambles slowly in cinematic mode, going over the Market Cross area and getting to the town hall, and then showing you the north end of the high street, as well as what they're doing in regards to the new developments. So the video you're about to see is all about that drone footage. Hope you enjoy it. As I say, I flew using the Neo. I used an ND16 filter to try and keep the shutter speed twice the speed of the frame rate, and the ISO was at 100. And I wanted to see exactly how it would differ between an overcast day and a day such as this. So check it out. So this is Stockton High Street, and this is Stockton Town Hall. Now what I wanted to do, I put it in cine mode because I wanted to get central to the town hall itself. And then once I'd got central in there, I was going to put it into normal mode and then fly up straight away so you can see the top of the town hall, and you can see that. So here's the shot. I'm going up, I'm keeping it central, so that clock is central to the video. And then you can see the north end of the high street, and you can see over there where the fountain is, which is there. I wanted to try and get a nice little slow shot going over this fountain and then going over towards the sort of the north end of the high street. But as I was doing that, loads of seagulls were flying around, so it did sort of make me a little bit nervous, as you can see there. But I just persevered and kept going. And then, yeah, that's the north end of the high street. So this is the Shambles. I wanted to show this as well. As I say, that's the Shambles, but to the left of that is the development where they're doing the urban area. So I wanted to get a little bit of footage of that before turning the camera back round and flying it very slowly towards the Market Cross and towards the town hall itself, letting you see obviously sort of the people walking around, but every now and then a bus will go by, and just capturing like just a bit of life of Stockton. So there you can see a couple of arrivas there. Now this shot, when I was doing this, I wanted to bring it up and as close as I could to the town hall itself, the mast area and where the flagpole is. But when you see this shot, it actually looks like the drone's going to hit the flagpole, but it was actually about 2 or 3 feet away from it. But I just loved how close it got. You could see the flag, and then you could see obviously the north end of Stockton High Street there as well. But yeah, that was actually about 2 or 3 feet away, but it just looks like I'm really, really close to it. So this is all shot in one day. And then I end up turning the drone round and flying it back towards the town hall from a different sort of perspective. As I say, in the left you can see the development they're doing, and you can see the fountain in the centre where the town hall is, and Couplands to the right. But that's the going towards the south end of Stockton High Street. This is the second day. Now this one, I just decided to fly it in cruise control in cinematic mode, so it was slow, so I could keep an eye on it. And I got it to about 10-15 meters in height and took it over the Shambles, as you can see here. And I just keep a straight line going towards that town hall, and I just walked alongside the Shambles and just monitored the actual drone just to make sure that it was a suitable height and away from the public and anywhere where it could cause an issue. But as you can see, the sky is just so blue in this shot, as you would have seen previously. The previous day footage was just all overcast and horrible. But I think when you've got the sun behind you and you've got the beautiful blue there, and you can just see it shine on the buses going by, you can see the people walking past, and you can just see all the detail of the Shambles, as well as obviously the pavement area and the town hall itself in the near distance. But yeah, I think it was probably around about 10 meters, 15 meters in the air, just to get a nice sort of shot. I put, I think this was the ND16 filter that I used for this particular filming as well. I just love how clear it is. Obviously it's away from the sun, so you don't get any of that glare. And you can just see all the little people dotted around. And as it gets to the market cross here, I start to ascend it and bring it up so you can see the flame of the market cross there, and going straight towards the clock of the town hall. And then the next shot was basically just focused on the town hall and then moving to the side, to the left, so you could get a glimpse of the fountain and the north end of the high street. But again, while I was doing this shot, there was pigeons flying around my drone, there was seagulls like squawking. But yeah, it was great. A lovely bit of footage, I think. So hope you enjoyed that. It was just a little short video just showing you my little footage going in Stockton and just seeing the different areas. The bit that I enjoyed most was when I was bringing it up where the town hall is and bringing it over the side. You can see the flagpole and you can see the flag sort of going in the breeze. When I was going there, it looked like the drone, there's the flagpole, it looked like the actual drone was like here and it was going to crash into it. But in reality, it was sort of right over. It was about 2 or 3 feet away from it. It's weird when the camera always makes it look closer than it is. But I just like that shot, going over, seeing that, and then seeing the north end of the high street. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a like. Let us know in the comments how you're getting on with your drone. If you like this footage, if you've done footage similar yourself, let us know what you've done. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Helps me out massively, pushes my video out to other people so they can subscribe as well and see my footage. And yeah, connect with more drone flyers and travelers. Anyway, hope you're all well. Take care of yourself, and I will see you all in the next one. So bye-bye.